Hi everybody, it's Laura
and Arnie
with Crazy Cool Cakes.
And we're here to pump you up.
Arnie's going to show you all how to make these adorable CrossFit toppers. These are perfect for any type of workout or fitness cake. Now, do we really know anything at all about this type of equipment?
Not at all.
But we know how to make it, and you're going to have a lot of fun making it too. Just want to let you guys know that if you're interested in these type of cake toppers, but you really don't want to make them yourself, you can always order them from us from our Etsy shop. You can find the link underneath this video. You've already gotten started on your tractor tire, huh?
That's right.
As you saw, he used a 3-inch circle cutter for the outside circle and now a 1.5-inch for the inside. And this was rolled out pretty thick using black gum paste. Be sure to check out the information underneath the video about the gum paste we use, as well as all the tools and materials that you see us using in this tutorial. To create the tread of the tire, he's using the pointy end of the veining tool. When you do this, make sure that the hook is up and away from the gum paste, or else you'll accidentally tear it.
You can always make these tires any size you want. It all depends on what size cake it's going on.
Very nice.
Thank you.
You gotta throw it down like that?
That's how I do.
On to the Kettlebells. When we were making these, I actually had to look up the names of what these were.
Yeah, but show us a picture of a Krispy Kreme donut and I'll tell you exactly what flavor that is. That's truth. It's time to throw down the Krispy Kreme donuts.
As you can see, these are pretty easy to make. So after rolling out a little ball and flattening the bottom, he just rolled out a little black worm and he's adding it to make a handle. Very cute. Speaking of junk food, this pandemic was brutal. I swear I think I gained like 20 pounds. What about you, sweetie?
I outdid you. I am at 25 pounds over. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Krispy Kremes. It's sponsored by Grubhubby. That's me.
Now you see Arnie making what are called bumper plates or weight plates. And these are very simple to make. All you got to do is just choose whatever circle cutter you want to use. Roll it out maybe about 1/4 inch thick, about the thickness of a slice of Velveeta. Anytime I tell him to roll stuff out, I always have to use food as an example.
Another food reference.
Okay, moving on. So you just cut out whatever size plate you want and then just get a circle cutter that's a little bit smaller than that to make an indentation. And then using your ball tool, you just make a little hole in the middle. Dun dun.
Dun 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 dun.
That basically means voila.
On to the medicine balls.
Why are they called medicine balls? Let's see. Hey Siri. Why are medicine balls called medicine balls?
Here's an answer from timandline.com. Medicine ball stuffed leather ball used for exercises from 1889. It is called a medicine ball, and it got that title from Professor Roberts, now of Springfield, whose fame is widespread, and whose bright and peculiar dictionary of terms for his prescription department in physical culture is taught in every first.
Okay, that's enough. It's not like we're ever going to use them or anything.
You're absolutely right.
Well, that looked pretty easy, baby.
I can't tell you how easy that is.
And this just happens to be my favorite color.
Yes. And then I just finished it off with some stitching. And now our favorite part.
Steaming procedure! Commence! Steaming your toppers gives them a nice, clean finish. If you've never seen us do this before or don't know much about steaming, be sure to check out our tutorials on how to steam cake toppers and cakes. Very nice.
We're not done yet.
Cool. And just a reminder, guys, remember that you can always order these from us from our Etsy shop. Check out the link underneath the video and visit the shop so you can see the cake that we actually made using these decorations. Now you see Arnie adding the little string or cord, and he's using his famous knot technique. And this is the rope that they use to pull the tire across the parking lot. Is that right?
I guess that's what they do.
I just remembered that my cousin Missy took me to one of her CrossFit classes one time. Man, I couldn't even walk the next day.
One time I went to a fit cross.
Honestly, we really admire all of you that do CrossFit training. The next time you guys are working out, please remember us and picture us on our couch eating Krispy Kreme donuts.
Yum, 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 yum. Jeez.
That looks pretty cool, baby.
Thank you, baby. Now to find the perfect pointy brush. I love this brush set.
Yeah, I do too. The very last thing to do to finish off our decorations are adding a little bit of white edible color just to kind of mimic the writing that you see on the kettlebells and also on the bumper plates. Of course, these are miniatures, so there's just no way that we could write what is actually written on these, so he's just doing little scribbles. And from far away, they look pretty darn adorable. Is that pretty fun to do, sweetie?
It's the funnest part.
I always give you the cute miniatures to make, huh?
I know, huh?
So what is it that you're writing on these?
That would be the worn out 25-pound plate.
Very cool. This was a fun little tutorial, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, if you actually make these, we would really love to see them. If you don't already follow us, be sure to visit us on Facebook or Instagram at Krazy Kool Cakes. You can find all the links underneath the video. Thank you for watching our tutorial, everybody. We really appreciate and love all of our subscribers.
If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!
Thanks, everybody. God bless you all.
Until next time.